This video was made using a standard 8-inch MyFord Touch system. The 4-inch screens work the same way using the manual button.
Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Rob Riena here, and I'm just doing a quick tip video for a second. There's a man on Facebook on the 2013 and up Ford Escape user group named Richard who is looking for a refresh on how to save presets on the radio of a Sync 2 MyFord Touch system. It's pretty quick. As you can see here, my 6 presets from my FM decks. And I have 96.9 up here. 96.9 is not anywhere down here. I'm going to hold it. And now you see 96.9 highlighted and saved. And I can toggle back. That's how you do it. Hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and give it a like and share it if someone else you know is looking for it. We'll see you next time on How to Escape. Thanks.